He thought he must have dropped it in the morning when he packed the costume away, and Alice had found it and placed it on the pillow beside her, as though it signified his face, the face of a husband who had become an enigma to her. All at once he reaches the end of his strength. Clutching the mask, he utters a loud and painful sob, quite unexpectedly, and sinks down beside the bed, buries his head in the pillows, and cries. A minute later, he feels a soft hand caressing his hair.
I'll tell you everything. I'll tell you everything.